Good morning, students. Suman Khosla is here for your economics class. Now we are starting our macroeconomics. Earlier, I have sent you many tutorials related to the very first chapter of introduction, second chapter, circular flow of income, and money banking also. But again, I'm starting my chapters, my lecture from the very first chapter. That is the chapter number 1, macroeconomics, introduction of macroeconomics. In +1 you have studied microeconomics which deals with the individuals only, मतलब क्या single firm, a single producer. But now we are talking about macroeconomics. Macro, the word macro is a Greek word which shows macros. Macros means to say large, bada, as a whole. In microeconomics, if we talk about a single producer, but now we are talking about a whole group of producers. In microeconomics, if we talk about demand, now we are talking about aggregate demand. Aggregate demand is the demand of the whole economy, in which there are producers, consumers, government, as well as rest of the world. रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड मीन्स से एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं हम लोग, इम्पोर्ट करते हैं हम लोग, तो नेचुरली उसमें एक्सपोर्ट एंड इम्पोर्ट ऑफ गुड्स आर ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड. Microeconomics deals with the aggregates. Aggregates means say total. For example, individual demand is the demand of one person. Individual supply is the supply of one producer. But aggregate demand is the demand of all the consumers group. That के मतलब के जितने भी consumers हैं, how much money they want to expand on their demand. That is not the exact demand, that is the desired demand. वो कितना चाहते हैं. On the other hand, if we are talking about supply is the supply of a single producer. But in aggregate supply, that is the supply of all the producer group, that how much goods they want to supply in an accounting year. बेटा आप लोगों को इसमें बहुत सी नई नई टर्मोलॉजीज आएंगी, बहुत से नए नए वर्ड्स भी आएंगे जो आपको समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि दीज आर नोन एज द टर्म्स ऑफ सब्जेक्ट. लाइक एग्रीगेट इज़ द टोटल, जितने भी प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं, द प्रोड्यूसर ग्रुप, पूरे देश का प्रोड्यूसर ग्रुप, हाउ मच मनी they desire to spend on the production of the goods and services in an economy. That is also not the exact supply, that is also desired supply. Let's first of all we make the difference between micro and macro. Microeconomics, which you have learned in the +1 commerce, and now macroeconomics, which we are learning in +2. Very first difference, microeconomics deals with individuals, whereas macroeconomics deals with the whole. It deals with the individual producer, individual firm, whereas it deals with the all producer group. These are the, now the first point is basis of study. Microeconomics studies the problems of an individual, like an individual firm, like an individual consumer, whereas in macroeconomics the study of the basis are aggregates, aggregate demand, aggregate supply. In this the main problem was scarcity. In this is the main problem how to utilize our resources properly. That's why in microeconomics there is the problem of allocation of resources allocation. मीन्स से हमने जितने भी हमारे रिसोर्सेज हैं उनको कैसे कैसे और